It doesn't mean that I miss or love my family any less. I do miss them. I wish I could, I just miss a lot of things. That's why I never take
Simply Michelle, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
You're old. I'm not old. That's how you feel about me? The boys on the lion.
That's not the TikTok.
Mom,
stop!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and today is Easter. So happy Easter to everybody. This is going to be a very different holiday for us. Before we even get into it, do you know what Easter means, girls?
Yes. It is the resurrection of Jesus. Today Jesus rose.
It's very important to teach your children certain things, and of course we're very spiritual, so Easter is a very big deal. So today what I thought we would do is we'd get together and we'll do another like family vlog where we're cooking and stuff. If you didn't check out the video with me and I, make sure you do so. I just think it's important to teach them. And also,
can I see the video?
Go ahead. Say hi. Say hi. I'm just gonna cook a little bit. I wish I was in New York because this holiday is, well, Easter, Christmas, and Thanksgiving are really big for us, and usually we get together with Nana and my grandmother, but today we're not. It's just us, and we're gonna cook. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it like Sandy B or like my grandma, but I'm gonna do my best.
Don't worry about it, Mom. You got it.
You got it.
So what's on the menu for today?
We are making mac and cheese, stuffing, rice. We're
chicken.
making rice.
Yup.
And then
Chicken.
we are making
Crescent rolls, gravy.
We are making.
Why are you pulling me like that?
We are making chicken.
We making chicken?
Yes.
What are we making for dessert?
Cake.
You want cake?
Yeah.
You making it?
But it's
Wait,
from
You making the cake?
No.
Wait, but Mom, can you
Got
make
the
like,
basic.
can you make it like a little piece for me without confetti?
Of course.
That's
Without further
what I
ado, we are going to get right into it. We're going to cook with you guys, and then we also have another surprise throughout the vlog, so stay tuned and watch the entire video. I heard you sing another song. I came to see him, and there he was.
Now we did.
Sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you.
There's something in my heart.
Run out this time. Right foot, 2 steps. Let's go to work.
I'm gonna make chicken breast, and I was gonna get a rotisserie or some cornichons, but baby, we're not cleaning that. Y'all know how I feel about that. Sandy B is not here to clean it for me, so we're gonna stick to the basics, okay? Lyric is gonna do us the honors, and she's gonna clean the chicken.
Disgusting.
It's gonna sound familiar because Mia felt the same exact way, but you have to teach them. And I want to teach my baby girl because she's getting older to put her to the test, because once she gets this down packed, she can make dinner for mommy. Clean the chicken.
These gloves are too big.
You could easily take the gloves off. Is it that bad? I said the same thing to Mia when Mia was doing. I was like, Mia, what are you gonna do when you get older? Does this thing? Are you holding your breath? Are you holding your breath? You are my child. I did the
No,
same
but I'd
thing.
be like, Mom, when she watches, she goes like this.
No, you know why? Because I'm always afraid, like when I'm washing the chicken, that it's gonna splat back on me.
She goes.
I close my mouth. We're gonna take a little bit of lemon juice. So whenever you're cleaning your chicken, you can do it many ways, but this really gets like all the grime off. So you could use lemon juice, salt, or lime. I mean, people have their own ways, but I just use lemon juice. So we let that soak for a few minutes. You can let your lips go. You know I gotta teach you now so you can be a chef like me. That's how you feel about it? So how are you gonna eat?
Basically, I'd go to the store, get some frozen chicken breast, and pop it in the air fryer.
So that's what you think is gonna be?
Yes.
It's a big pot.
Yeah. And we are going to make the macaroni right now. I'm actually gonna FaceTime Sandy B because for some reason or another, I've made macaroni and cheese before.
For real.
And it was never messed up, but it just didn't taste like my mom's. So I need her special touch, you know, she's not here. So we're gonna FaceTime her, we're gonna get her recipe. First, we're gonna put some salt. We not letting Mia do it. Mia got a heavy hand. You also put a little bit of canola oil so that your noodles do not stick. I remember that part, right, Mom? We're gonna bring this to a boil. Then we're gonna also boil some rice. One in particular is my favorite.
Happy Easter to to Mommy's channel.
Say we love you.
We love you.
Is the Easter bunny coming?
Yep.
The Easter bunny, you gonna cut his leg off again?
No.
That's not nice.
I'm gonna tail off.
Come on, Cindy. I'm FaceTime. I would be FaceTiming her if she's not picking up. I'm calling her house phone.
And don't share it on social media.
Mom, FaceTime and you pick up. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Simply.
We all miss you so much.
Would it make you feel better, babe? If I told you I've been feeling things you don't believe in, thinking that I'm seeing things. Your heart is in the ground and my head's through the sea.
All right, now I'm making the cheese sauce, y'all. So we got the Cracker Barrel melting, and then I'm gonna take some milk. I'm gonna take some milk, and then we're gonna pour it in here.
Feeling all the possibilities, losing my ability to know what you're feeling. I've been wondering what you think about. Baby, you don't tell me, so I'm only assuming.
I'm about to put 2 eggs. Right, Ma? 2 eggs or 3?
Yeah, 2 is sufficient.
I'm putting it in a separate bowl, y'all, because y'all know how I feel about that embryo, that white stuff. I told you, if you eat that white stuff and you don't take it out, you nasty as hell. Sorry, not sorry, but you got to take that white out. It's a no for me. Just created a thickening, which is just flour and a little bit of milk, but you want it to be like a nice creamy consistency. You don't want any like lumps in it.
Here we are right now, no longer 17. Have we been around? Got some years on us, and a new barrel less to see. Yeah.
I'm cheating because Mia is a macaroni and cheese lover. Like, give her Kraft, give her Velveeta, she's going to eat it. So Mia she's one of my biggest critics when it comes to food because she's the pickiest. So I'm gonna let her try my macaroni and cheese, and hopefully we get a good response.
Yeah, it's good.
It looks good?
Yes. It's so good.
It is?
It tastes just like Nana's. It's so good.
10 out of 10?
Yes, 10 out of 10. More than 10 out of 10. Mom, you did that.
I did that?
You did that. Sorry about this. I told you you cook good, just like Nana. It's so good. I can eat this whole pot.
What are we doing?
A cake.
For who?
For the Easter bunny.
Oh, what kind of cake are we making?
Chocolate.
I think it's, turn it around. I think it's vanilla.
What's this thing? Yeah. Though you face gray, I could just stay. But I'm not picking, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Tell me, but I'm not picking, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Play all the time. Gonna have a wild night, 1999.
Time for some fun.
So we're doing the Easter egg hunt right here. You know, we got the regular suspects. We got the chocolate, we got the jelly beans, we got the golden eggs. So we're gonna plant those. They all got $2 in them. 3 of them, right? But then there's a 4th one with the all black jelly beans. Now listen, don't come at me, y'all. For the people who do like the black jelly beans.
I do not like the black jelly beans.
No, listen, I'm all about the culture. I understand. We'll see who's gonna find that one. Who's gonna be the lucky person.
Love these, they're so cute. And
Yeah,
we would have did it outside, but it's raining today, so we're just gonna have it inside. But how cute is this? You just want to keep it fun for the kids, keep the tradition going. For Easter egg hunts, or did your parents ever do
My
that?
parents used to do the plastic eggs like this in
Yeah,
the house.
same.
Me and my brother.
Have these. Aren't these so cute? They're adorable.
And then we also have.
I saw the last vlog, then you know we went to Walmart to get them something for Easter. So We got this for Mia because she's been dying for this. The Peeps. Got that one for Lyric. So pretty. For Juju. Super cute. And Peep the little carrot. Look how cute that is.
He's different.
It has a little pop. And then my mom sent me money to get something for Juju. She also sent the girls money, but she wanted me to make him a basket, so we about to set it up right now. They put a lot of grass in here.
Don't get the grass on the bed, then it's gonna give it up.
I know. Justice loves gummy bears.
We ain't never gonna go to bed now.
Oh, little chocolate bunny. We forgot the bunnies for the girls. They don't need no damn chocolate.
Listen.
How cute for Juju. I'm gonna just chop this off.
Well,
You know how he feels about that. We got that. Little slime, little putty. These look like they bust. And then we got some stampers. I love these. You guys used to love the stampers? We got a little bunny. Love you, Mom. Shout out to you for still showing up for the kids, even in New York. Surprise! The Easter Bunny came! The Easter Bunny came! Come on.
Oh my god.
This one is from Nana, Del Papa. Hold on. And this one is for you. This is from the Easter Bunny. Easter Bunny came. This one is for you. Beautiful.
Thank you.
You
So
love it.
cute.
This one's for you. What'd you get?
A peep.
They got gift cards sent to them from Nana. Shout out to Nana.
Thank you, Nana. We love you.
Yeah, she sent beautiful cards. She sent this to Juju. Can I see your bunny?
Yeah, but
What does your bunny have on him? Can I see? Turn it around. Is that a carrot?
yep.
Oh my God. What are you going to name your bunny?
Yeah, I name him Stucky. Oh, she's
Ooh, what is that? What you got in your basket from Nana?
wow.
What is that?
That's a slime.
What?
I play with it in the ground. Gummy bear.
Your favorite.
Candy.
What is it?
A chocolate bunny. Oh, what is it?
Put it on your head. Yay!
Ow.
Are you a bunny? You're the cutest bunny I've ever
Yeah.
seen.
Thank you, Nana.
Say I love you,
I
Nana.
love you, Nana.
Now we're about to have the Easter egg hunt. So I'm gonna make it easy. The eggs are in here, but 3 out of the eggs, 3 eggs are golden. Well, there's 4. There's money in those eggs. So if you find them, you keep the money.
For real?
For real.
For real?
On the count of 3.
And wait.
Wait. There's
There's
3. One of them is not what you want, but you only stay in the living room. That's it. The living room and the dining room.
Right here.
Ready, set, go.
Keep going.
You found the egg?
Do I
Keep going. Once you find it, keep your eggs. Keep going. Don't open it. Keep going. Look everywhere.
Hey!
Go. Come here, Poppy. Poppy.
Oh! I got an egg!
You got a golden egg?
No, I think I more.
You got money? So
Keep
put it in your
going. Put it
pocket.
in your pocket.
Put it on the table. Come on. Come on, Poppy. Look, Poppy. Poppy.
Look everywhere.
Everywhere. Keep looking.
Can't find it.
Oh, Mia, keep going.
I got 4.
Ah, you got one? You got one?
Oh, what you got, Mia?
How many you got? Mia got mad eggs. Uh-oh.
Oh, I have a
What'd you
chocolate
get?
too.
You got chocolate?
Yeah, me too.
We got 2 golden eggs.
Found it!
You found it?
Need to have more.
You got toy in there?
It's so good.
No, hold on. Wait. There's a flag on the plate.
Right.
Somebody's getting in trouble.
Right, somebody was eating an ice pop on the couch. I got caught. I didn't chew it. You know you have to chew it. Go ahead, try it.
Daddy, why Daddy gotta eat it? Backfired on me. That's all.
Collect your money. Put your money in your pocket.
I can't have a pocket. Can put it in.
You got it.
Well, I can't do it. Can you help me?
Of course.
I know. Put it in there.
Whoa. Remember you and Lyric used to make slime all the time, Mia?
Oh,
Why are you putting your little men in there?
because you have to just.
Look, he put them in there. Now they're
Put my
sinking.
friends in there.
Look what you're doing to them.
This.
Let me see them. All right, guys, so I'm going to close the video out here. As you can see, we had a beautiful day. I'll be a little honest with you guys. For the last few days, I was in my feelings. I didn't know if it was like, you know, hormonal or related or what, but I just had an overabundance of like sadness. And today was kind of hard for me to actually get up and film the video because I was feeling sad. Since I moved here, I felt like I was on a high. I was finally feeling content. My feelings started to fade away. It's nothing that's going wrong here. It's just I do miss my family. Certain days, certain holidays like this gets me a little bit more emotional because I do miss my mom and I miss my grandma. We are always together on these type of days, and it's just a little harder for me to not be able to just run over there and see them. I'm not going to cry. I will not cry, but I will be real and I will be transparent because I am human. And today is just a little harder, but I'm so grateful to have these moments with my kids because they always get me out of that funk. You know what I mean? Your kids are always those beautiful blessings that remind you that you have to keep pushing, you have to keep going. And, you know, I do have my own life. I am grown, and so there are going to be times and situations where you just have to do things for you. And, you know, this move was something for me to better me, but it doesn't mean that I miss or love my family any less. I do miss them. I wish I could be with my grandma today, and I miss her hugs, and I miss my mom. I miss my mom's crazy self, and, you know, I just miss a lot of things. That's why I never take things for granted. Hold on to the memories that you do have with your loved ones because you never know when you won't be able to see them, to hear their voice. So to me, it's just family has always been something that has been a big thing in my life and will always be. I will always implement that for my children as well. I'm not crying because my makeup is smearing. I guess I'm feeling homesick. It is normal for me to feel homesick. It is normal. I know it's normal. Hell, I was even Googling it. Like, how did I go from being super happy, feeling like my best self, to just crashing? You know what I mean? So maybe it's just time for me to feel. Okay that I'm feeling like this. You know, it's okay that I feel like this. I'm pretty sure it's a normal reaction for anybody who's, you know, taking a big step like this to leave everything that they want, everything that they know, their family, to start a new life, whether it's just, you know, relocating to a different state, moving to college, whatever the case may be. It's normal to feel sad. So hopefully this bypasses in it, but I will let it take its course and I will not try to push through because my feelings are valid. You know what I mean? It's okay to feel, but it's not okay to let it overtake you. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video with the family and I hope that you enjoy your Easter. I hope this video brought you some happiness for today. With that being said, I'm going to close the vlog out. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next upload.
Simply Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube.